Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited about this particular unboxing here. Got a new DJI Mini SE drone. I won this at a raffle, so even better that I got it free. So got this package. You can see it's still in the plastic shrink wrap packaging here. This again is the DJI Mini SE. It's their smallest and lightest, as I understand it, drone that DJI makes. This one has a 2.7K camera built in with, as you can see, a controller for your smartphone. Anyway, so this is the packaging here. Go ahead and get to unboxing this. And so got my knife. I'm just going to carefully cut the plastic so I can get this open. Alright, plastic is off. Okay, so on the box itself, you can see some of this, the general info about this. It weighs less than 249 grams, 30 minutes of maximum flight time, 4-kilometer maximum HD video transmission. Anyway, so you can read those as well. On the other side, underside is just general information on serial number and the like. Okay, so let's see, how does this open here? Let's open up this side here if I can, or whichever side will open up for. Oh, got a little one of these here. Let's get the knife in there, cut this sticker holder here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so open this up and boom. Alright, so it looks like just some cushionings here. Here's the drone itself, it looks like. Folded up. Got the body. It is pretty light. See the camera encased in its plastic housing here. Additional propellers and the other motors there. Alright, so that's the drone. Looks like there's nothing underneath, just a gel silicone pack. Looks like the remote control here. Pop this open here. Alright, so this is the controller. I'm not sure exactly what to do with it quite yet, since I'm just getting this here. Open this up. I'm sure this pops open somehow. We'll have to look at it. Look at the instructions later. Anyway, so this is the remote that comes with it, as you can see. Alright. Alright, so under that, we got what's in this box here. This is likely charge cables, batteries, and the like. So we got additional propeller blades. Looks like a charging and data cable. A couple more cables and such in here. Looks like we got a small mini Phillips head screwdriver. Looks like you got a micro USB cable to, is that mini HDMI maybe? You got this here to a USB-C cable. I think that's mini HDMI, I'm not sure. And then here you got, looks like micro USB to regular USB. And that's it for that box there. And then underneath of that, we got a couple different booklets, pamphlets, and informational paperwork here. You got a quick start guide, something about flying drones responsibly, knowing rules about flying drones. This is something that's all in either Chinese or Japanese. Disclaimer and safety guidelines. Looks like a general support information here. Like a business card almost. And then this is probably the warranty information. Yes, looks like it's all warranty info here. Yep. Alright, so that's what's in those. Is there anything under this? I'm trying to pull it up. It's kind of in there pretty tight, so I doubt there's anything under there. Alright guys, so that is what you would get in the box if you got yourself a DJI Mini SE as well. So I'm looking forward to tinkering around and using this. Anyway, hopefully you liked this unboxing video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and that bell notification button so you get notices whenever I post new content to the channel. And hopefully I'll be posting some drone footage with my new DJI Mini SE soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.